Hello, my dear students. Welcome to week 4 in the JSS 1 first term curriculum. In this class, we will be learning the vowel sound, the short vowel E. So that's what we'll be learning. Please do well to stay focused and make sure you are following what we're about to learn. Now, the vowel sound E is the second pure vowel and it is a short vowel. Now we are about to pronounce the vowel sound. Please do well to stay put, yes, stay focused and also repeat after me. E, e, e. That is the sound for the second pure vowel. Now we have the long vowel sound E and the short vowel sound, the long vowel sound E and the short vowel sound E. But today in this class, we will be learning the short vowel. Now this vowel occurs in the following words. But first of all, let's pronounce the sound. E, e. Now, it occurs in words like, I want you to repeat after me. It occurs in words like sit, sit, pin, pin, fish, fish, gym, gym, pretty, pretty, England, England. Now let's repeat the words again. Sit, sit, pen, fish, gym, pretty, England. Now these are many more words that this vowel sound occurs. Now let's do a pronunciation drill. In our previous class, we've learned this vowel sound, which is actually the first pure vowel. The long E, the I with the colon, and both of them are inside the slashes. So this is pronounced as E, E. And then the short vowel E is pronounced as I, I, E, I, E. Now let's practice these words together. Please do well to repeat after me. Now the first word, sit, sit, bit, beat, live, leave, ship, sheep, fib, feel. Now let's repeat these words again. The first word, sit, sit, bit, beat, live, leave, ship, sheep, fib, feel. So this is a pronunciation drill. Please do well to rewatch this video to get the correct pronunciation of this vowel sound.